going on, everybody?
What's good, everybody?
We are back with another episode. We've got a new face to introduce. This is Joe.
What's up?
We are very happy to have him on our crew finally. It's been in the works for a while, but you guys will see him around much more often. Don't forget, we are located in Seattle, Washington, about 10 minutes north of downtown. Let's keep it short and sweet. Where can they find all our stuff?
On Instagram at The Sneak City or on our website, thesneakcity.com.
Boom. He knows the drill, guys. All right, let's see what deals we can get into today.
Let's do it.
Hey, Joe.
Yes?
Your first official Sneak City fit check. What you got on today? What you got on today? Let's start at the feet.
Got some Iowa Dunks, Fear of God shorts, inspired by Anastasia.
Yes, sir.
And then vintage Dragon Ball tee.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
With that focus, that's sick.
And Mariners hat, of course. Go Mariners.
Go Bruce Man, what you got on today?
Nigel's, you know, I got them here at Sneak City. And then I got the Eric Emanuel. And then one of those, those promo Travis Scott tees, $10. They come in handy.
Yes, sir. How long did it take you to get that?
No fitted today. They came pretty fast. These came pretty fast.
Oh, okay. Not like his normal stuff.
You know, some people still waiting on Travis Scott merch, and he just did a drop yesterday.
We ain't talking about that.
Buy it and forget about it. That's all I can say.
These are used. Everything else is DS.
I'm gonna set it here, so it's out of your way. Is that right?
You looking for cash or you looking at trade?
Probably trades for credit. I'm sure you have something here.
We have a couple to choose from.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Those are atrocious.
I kind of like them. You don't like them?
You're fine.
I bought them because I really kind of dig that look, and I just you know, I don't wear those. I thought about what the green lace is. I thought it looked pretty cool.
Yeah. The gold, like the copper is kind of weird, but like the quality of it is
Yeah.
not too
I've
bad.
had worse. I bought those on StockX. I've used them. They're clean.
You said these were worn? You said these were DS, right?
I
Everything's
got them
DS on
StockX.
these?
Yeah, those were I got off StockX.
You can try those ones on as well if you'd like. Okay, Carbons, I'd be at 125 store credit. Patinas, 160 store credit. LeBron's, 280 store credit. And then the Electrics is like 170.
Cool. What's that total?
Total would be 735.
Nice. That'll work.
Size 10 and a half. So I'll owe you $85.
Sure.
In that deal, he traded these pairs on the left for our black toe Jordan 1s, and we added $85 on top. I got time.
I have 3 pairs for you. These guys, worn without a box. Not even if you're interested or not.
Possibly.
Possible. And then 2 Travis Sixes.
Both brand new.
Brand new, well, greens were laced up ones, but not taken out outside or anything.
Just looking for cash.
Actually, weirdly enough, if I can Cinderella my way into the off-white size 13s you guys have, I'd totally be down for store credit, but if I can't, sadly.
I don't know about that.
Yeah.
If you're a true 14, I don't know about that.
I think I'm actually like a 13 and a half, but nobody
You might make
makes
it
them.
work.
Cool. Better than I was expecting.
Really? Do they
Yeah.
kind of fit?
Kinda. Can I try the left just to be sure?
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah.
They fit good?
They fit good. Well enough.
Do you think a 14 would be too big?
I figured like they're kind of stretchy anyways. That's why I was like hoping on it. But like if you look for them in a size 14,
Good luck.
Yeah, and on stock, like the lowest offer is like 10 racks. So it's like, cool, never happened.
Right.
But
Yeah, I have a pair in my size too. Like, one of my favorites, definitely for sure. Okay, looking at like 450 store credit on the khakis, and then like 525 on the green ones.
okay,
Probably hold off on these.
hold on. No worries, no worries.
So it would be a $9.75 difference. And that deal, he traded his 2 pairs of Travis Scott Jordan 6s plus $950 for our Off-White OG Preston. Those are gonna get cash on these two.
Do you guys still have the 11.5 smokers?
Oh yeah, maybe we should be right down.
You guys don't have a 5.5 in the Travis Scott one, Steve?
No.
You know how rare even the 6 is?
I know, I saw it and I was like, that never happened.
I know.
If I could do
See,
store credit,
771, 75.
Do like 140.
We're a whole lot of bags.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Maybe 245.
Thank you.
245.
Have a good one.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. I was hoping to get like 160 each one, or 150. You said, wait, what did you say for it?
140.
140?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I could do 150.
Okay, yeah, alright, I'll do that. I brought the Racer Blue threes too, but I saw you guys already have 2, size 11.
Size 11.
I think so. But
Yeah, we
it'd
have a
be
couple
below
of them.
retail anyway. Yeah, I'll just hold on to those. There's like no parking out there.
I know, it's busy over here this morning for some reason.
Work truck too.
You can't squeeze into anything,
No.
huh?
I'm like right at the end of the street there, like not where I'm supposed to be, but it's all good.
That'd be 240.
Alright.
In that deal, he traded 2 pairs of undefeated dunks plus $225 for our dead stock Mocha Jordan 1s.
And are you looking to sell them or trade them?
Trade, hopefully.
Trade?
Yeah.
What are you looking to trade for?
Hopefully just get one pair. Try to consolidate 3 pairs into one, you know. Have an idea what I'm hoping to get out of those 3 combined, so.
Wow, they run small though. We're a 7.5, me and Tia, and we had
Oh,
ordered
really?
2 pairs of, we ordered the Grinches and the Bruce Lees in our size, but they all run small and we didn't know that. So I put my foot in and I'm like, I can't wear this. Frustrating.
I had wanted to hoop in the gold one, so I purposely bought a 12.5, and then I got it and I was like,
Too
oh, this
small?
is still too small. And I looked at 13, I was just like, I'm not getting the shoe then.
So I think the FTCs, those are like 375, 400.
Okay.
Whatever the mushroom ones are, I can't remember the name. I keep wanting to say Strange Loves, but I know they're not.
Sting water.
Yeah, Sting Water.
Yeah.
Those are like 250, 275. And these are, the retail is like 400, but there's ones for like 550, 600, or to ask.
Let me just make a note and get a list going.
What's the deal with the fragments? Travis, you're gonna drop, or the raffle's ridiculous.
The raffle was dumb.
I mean,
So stupid.
if you can't even get like GR Jordans now, or like mids on release day, it's like
Exactly.
Travis is a whole nother ballgame.
Yeah.
It's like
I
for
was-
every one person, there's like 10 people in their family that they're gonna have enter.
Yeah.
It's like,
For the botted entries,
Yeah.
it's like
Yeah,
thousands,
it's like-
tens of thousands per person.
I mean, my thing is like, why do you say that you did it? Like, why would when you want to
Yeah.
receive them first?
Brag about it.
You know, but it's like, I guess everybody wants to be like, I did it.
So what do you guys think on these?
All right. So the prices you gave is like what we would sell them for. So we usually do a round StockX payout for stuff. So the FTCs I was at 320. The Sting Waters I was at 225, and the pack I was at 430. So cash wise, 975. If you want to do store credit, I can come up to like around 1,000 because that was payout on both of these and just over payout on these.
Yeah, these I think will go for a lot more, but I get that it's gonna take a little bit of time.
Yeah, with a 7.5, it's just the size that we can't move as fast as
Yeah,
like a
for sure.
9
If it
through
was like a
11, you know?
12 or-
Exactly. Yeah.
And it's always tough when it's a 2-shoe pack because somebody may not want both.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll do 1,000.
You can do 1,000
Yeah.
credit?
Yeah.
Okay. What are you looking to trade for?
I mean, what do you guys recommend? I just want to consolidate into a pair to hold for a while, you know.
Around 1,000, or are you willing to add anything on top?
I'll add a little bit.
A little
for
bit?
sure,
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want something your size, or is it
So
purposefully
I'm a
just
12.
to hold?
I'm a 12. Sometimes I'll buy stuff not in my size, just intentionally to not BS it, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I understand. Yeah, exactly.
Oh, I can look around too.
Yeah, if you want to take a look around,
for sure.
your size will be up here on the right, and then the wall does go by size.
Okay.
Just let me know when you find
So
something.
it's
And
walls or-
yeah, so if you look at the top of the walls, it has little size tags on it.
Okay.
But roughly where he is, a little to the right,
Okay.
there might be a couple more pairs behind you. But
Okay.
feel free to just look around.
Angelo might be it.
They're
I try to
super nice.
collect a lot of these junk lows, you know, SPs and stuff.
Yeah, especially the ones that have like good collabs. I feel like, especially if you keep it dead stock, obviously you would never wear that one because it's not your size. But I feel like those ones definitely climb in
intentional,
value. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe I'll do these.
You want to do these guys? Okay. So just add 250 on top.
Yeah.
Cool.
In that deal, he traded these pairs plus $250 for our dead stock Strange Love SB Dunks.
And residue for these.
Cool. Puerto Ricos.
Yeah.
Did your pair not come with the towel?
I got them off someone that got them from Shaking. He was like, he didn't give me a towel. I was like, I know he gave you a towel, but okay.
You know, we've had probably like 5 or 6 pairs of these come through, and
No towel.
I think 2 of them had towels and the
Yeah.
rest didn't. And yeah, somebody that
Probably
ordered one.
first come, first served, probably, right?
Something like
Yeah.
that. Or if like certain distribution places got them and others
Yeah,
didn't.
yeah,
I don't know.
probably.
Yeah, somebody was like, "Oh, you guys didn't send me a towel." I'm like, "I'm sorry, man. It really didn't have one in it when we got it. Like, I didn't realize that some did and others
That was
didn't."
my big thing too. I was like, if I'm gonna get these pairs off you, I want the towel. He's like, dude, mine it didn't even come with it. And I was like, okay, I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. I have to go with that.
Watch you see him one day with the towel.
Exactly. They're
I
close
just
to
saw him.
literally.
He's at the beach with it or something. Like, what the hell?
Catch him on the alcohol.
Yeah.
I'd be under retail.
Yeah, no, I
Like
know.
160.
170.
Probably just max at 160.
Okay. All right. Fuck it, I'll take it.
Take it. Cool.
Yeah, I'm not interested.
In that deal, we bought his Puerto Rico Air Max 97s for $160.
Oh, cool. Thanks.
All right, guys. He brought us a little gift along with some shoes. I'm gonna let him talk about it because he knows more than I do.
Hey, this is an all-in energy drink. It's a better for you energy drink made in Washington, and you can find it at Fred Meyer, QFC, Met Market, other places like Leshigh Market. So please go check it out and see drinkallin.com and at drinkallin.
Heck yeah, support your local businesses, guys. Thank you so much. I'm excited to try these. We're gonna throw them in the fridge and might have to crack one a little later today.
Cheers.
All right, get to the shoes. What you got for me?
Just been sitting in my closet.
Oh yeah.
I actually doubled up on one on those, I think, so I hit the sneakers out. And
All brand new on these?
yeah.
Okay.
You guys don't have I'm on year 3, do
We
you?
don't. Those come in and out so quick. Everybody wants them. These guys just tried on.
In my one shoe in my bedroom.
Okay.
Never been outside. None of them have, and that's why I'm like, come on, you know, same sneakers out, get a win. Yeah, those I bought because I had to have them, and then I actually also hit them on sneakers. Just like sweet. How often do you guys get those 3s in?
Honestly, I feel like a lot of people that got them are keeping them.
Yeah.
At first, when everybody got them in, a couple people sold them, so we had a couple pairs. I think we've honestly maybe had like 5 or 6 altogether. Like they just don't come in very often. Everybody really likes them.
So what happened yesterday with the Travis Scotts? Did something like a bot got all of them?
Yeah,
Something
apparently.
stupid.
Yeah.
I don't know how they fixed that.
Yeah,
It seems like it just kills the.
The morale.
Well, yeah. I mean, like, you know, everybody's giving up their info and their phone numbers and their stuff, and just never hit them.
200 on the Japans.
It's my first time ever.
Selling. I'd be at under retail on the cool grays. They're going for like 200, so I'd probably just be at like 150 on them. You might want to keep them. Looks like retail is 190.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye bye.
All right. Well, let me think about it.
Okay. I'll write it down and we can come back to it. And then I'd be well below retail in the Chinese New
Yeah, I
Year's
saw that
too.
there was the last sale was kind of, I mean, it was kind of 200 and the last one was 170,
I'd probably just be at like 110 on them.
110. Okay, let's see. So
So 2, 3, 4, 60. 460 cash for the 3 pairs.
can we do 480?
No, these ones I couldn't go up anymore.
Mm-hmm.
And these ones I was pretty firm at that as well, just because these are going for retail, these are going for under retail,
Okay.
and then these ones.
All right. Well, let's just do it. It just gets me
Down
closer
for
to
that?
to
All right,
those
cool.
threes.
Sounds good.
And that deal, we bought these 3 pairs of shoes for $460.
All right, guys, that is going to be a wrap for today's episode. I am heading out just a little bit early, so we're going to do a quick recap of the stuff we bought today. I don't have a photo or our usual lineup for you, but we'll just show you what you got so far. Bruce is going to help me out. What do we got, Bruce?
FTC size 10, brand new. These are $420. Nice design. Bathroom rubber ducky feel. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Sting water, magic mushrooms. I think one of the best sock liners on a shoe ever. And these are size 9, they're new, 300. For the guys that don't get much love, the big feet guys, this is a size 14 Travis pre-owned. It is $14.50 OG all.
Big boy feet. Big boy heat.
Seahawks, NHL players,
Where you at?
the Krakens, you know. We got a size 9 OG Off-White Presto pre-owned 1950. You already know the OGs. Size 12 Shadow. It is pre-owned as well, and it's $450. And then we got the 7.5 in the What If Kobe pack. I went blank, but 630 brand new. And then we got some Puerto Rico Air Max 97s. These are clean. Then we got the Cool Gray size 12. These are $320 and they're pre-owned as well.
That's it for this row. We got a couple overs over here we haven't priced yet. We got some Cool Gray, some Japan, navy, midnight navies, whatever you want to call them, and the Chinese New Year 6s. Women's like 11.5 on these guys, I think. Close it out, boys.
You can find everything on our website, thesneakcity.com, and our Instagram at thesneakcity. Come shop with us. Open 24/7 on our website as well.
We
Alright,
are
guys.
located north of Seattle, Fremont, you know. And then also smash that like button and leave a comment. Share it to your friends. Tell your mom, your dad, your sister, your grandma, uncle, kids.
Everybody.
Everybody. To
Alright.
watch the vids.
Alright, guys, we out. Peace.
Peace.